Imagine walking through a beautiful garden full of flowers. You spot a vibrant red rose and remember its vivid color and shape. Now think about reading the word rose on a page. Which one do you think your brain will remember more easily? Our brains have a fascinating way of processing information, and when it comes to images and words, pictures often win the memory race. Let's dive into the magic of how our brains remember things better with images. When you see a picture, your brain quickly grabs onto it, kind of like how a camera captures a scene instantly. This is because pictures can convey lots of information all at once, colors, shapes, and details, and our brain loves that. In contrast, reading text is a bit like decoding a secret code. Each word takes time to read and understand, and our brains have to work harder piecing together these letters to form meaning. It's not that we can't remember words, but there's an extra step in understanding them. To understand why images are powerful memory boosters, we need to look at a principle called the picture superiority effect. This effect shows that people tend to remember pictures more easily than words. In one study, participants remembered about 90% of pictures they saw, even after a few days, but only 10% of text. Why does this happen? Well, our ancestors played a part in this. Early humans needed to remember things visually for survival, like recognizing dangerous animals or finding ripe fruit. Their brains evolved to process images quickly and efficiently, helping them thrive in nature. Furthermore, different parts of our brain are involved when we see images and when we read text. Visual information often triggers the right hemisphere of the brain, linked to creativity and imagination. This makes pictures not just easier to remember, but also more engaging to us. When you learn something new, try pairing it with an image. Whether it's drawing a small picture or finding a related one online, it can help you remember facts more vividly. For instance, if you're learning about planets, imagine what each planet looks like, rather than just reading their names. In the end, it turns out the phrase, "a picture is worth 1,000 words," is not just a saying, it's how our brains naturally work. So the next time you have something important to remember, snap a mental picture and let your amazing brain do the rest.